Flag quilts represent more than just a crafting project. They're a way to stitch together heritage, pride, and national identity into something you can touch, display, and pass down through generations. Celebrate freedom with Anthem, a striking 69 by 57-inch design featuring classic stars, charming hearts, and a bold star-studded border. This creative layout uses varied tones and textured patterns to create a stunning lap throw that you can display proudly at any festive gathering. Create a charming handmade accent in just one afternoon with the Patriotic Mini, a quick and easy design featuring a single sawtooth star against traditional stripes. This versatile piece is perfect for using up small fabric scraps and fits beautifully on a table or inside a decorative frame. Capture the graceful movement of a flag waving in the breeze with Firework Flag, a unique 18-inch square project using clever Bargello-style strip piecing. This high-impact technique transforms simple fabric bands into a rippling, energetic design that will be the star of your holiday display. Transform a classic star motif into a bold waving flag with stars and stripes, a 68 by 74-inch masterpiece that meets Quilt of Valor requirements. Detailed step-by-step instructions make it simple to assemble this striking centerpiece, making it a meaningful and beautiful gift for honoring service members. Embody the spirit of service with American pride, a powerful 80 by 60-inch statement piece specifically curated for military veterans. This bold layout of stars and stripes is a wonderful choice for intermediate quilters looking to refine their precision piecing while creating a lasting tribute to bravery. A flag quilt can serve multiple purposes throughout the year. Many quilters create these pieces specifically to honor veterans in their lives, crafting a tangible expression of gratitude for service and sacrifice. The finished quilt becomes a cherished heirloom that carries deep personal meaning. Summer celebrations provide another perfect occasion for flag quilts. Independence Day gatherings, Memorial Day picnics, and patriotic holidays all benefit from the addition of handmade decorations that reflect the spirit of the season. From Civil War-era quilts to modern interpretations, this tradition continues to evolve while maintaining its core purpose of celebrating national identity. Whether you're drawn to the bold graphic impact of stripes and stars, or the emotional resonance of creating something that honors your country, flag quilt patterns offer a meaningful way to combine craft with conviction. The finished piece becomes more than decoration. It's a statement of values, a tribute to history, and a personal expression of pride woven directly into the fabric of your home. Find more flag quilt patterns that blend bold design, heartfelt tradition, and creative quilting at ilovequiltingforever.com today.